If you're searching for a powerful, newly released AI software, another wrapper. AI is making waves right now. In this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool before you decide to dive in. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know whether it's worth your time or just another overhyped release. Let's start with the basics. Another Wrapper AI is designed to help businesses streamline their workflows and integrate artificial intelligence into everyday tasks. The software focuses on automation, data processing, and real-time decision-making. Whether you're running a small business or part of a large organization, this AI can be a game changer if used right. The main selling point here is its ease of use. No technical experience required to get started. For those of us who aren't coders, that's a huge plus. One of the standout features of another Wrapper AI is its customization options. Unlike some other AI tools, it lets you tailor workflows based on your specific needs. This could mean automating customer support, enhancing your content marketing strategy, or even helping you make more data-driven decisions faster. If you've been using other AI software and found it lacking in flexibility, you might want to pay close attention to this feature. Another crucial point, speed. One of the most frustrating things about AI tools is the lag in processing or analyzing data. Another Wrapper AI shines here with its super fast data handling. It's not just about speed, it's about how fast it reacts to your inputs and the insights it provides. You can expect quicker turnarounds in tasks that might have previously taken hours or days. Then there's the pricing. Unlike many new AI platforms that lock you into hefty subscription fees, another Wrapper AI offers a free trial with no strings attached. And for what it offers, this is a massive win. You get access to most of the features without the upfront cost, making it a great option if you're just dipping your toes into the world of AI. So you can actually see if the software fits your needs before committing financially. Now, let's talk about the learning curve. A lot of users worry about AI tools being too complex. But another Wrapper AI does an impressive job of making sure that anyone can jump in and start using it without hours of tutorials. The interface is clean, intuitive, and surprisingly user-friendly for an AI of its caliber. You'll spend less time figuring things out and more time getting results. On the downside, there are a few limitations, especially in terms of the integrations it currently supports. While the software connects well with major platforms like Google and Salesforce, some smaller niche tools might not be supported just yet. However, the team behind another Wrapper AI is working on expanding this, so it's something to keep an eye on. Lastly, let's discuss support. With any software, having reliable support is key. Another Wrapper AI offers 24/7 customer service, and from what I've experienced, their team is quick to respond and helpful in resolving any issues. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or just need some advice on how to maximize your use of the tool, it's reassuring to know that help is available whenever you need it. Overall, another Wrapper AI is definitely worth trying if you're looking to improve efficiency and leverage the power of AI in your business. The free trial is an excellent way to test out the features, and with so many options, it's definitely one to consider. So, before you go, make sure to check the first link in the description. You can try another Wrapper AI for free and see if it's the right fit for you. And after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've got my recommended list of AI software in the description too. Give them a try and start boosting your business today.